Hey guys, what's up? Josh here, and today I wanted to make another video because I ended up going out and I bought myself a new toy. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already gone out and bought one yourselves, or you're thinking about getting one too, so I wanted to be one of the first people to just tell you a little bit about what I got today. But what I ended up getting today was the iPhone 11 Pro, and this comes in 4 different colors. It comes in a space gray, it comes in silver, a midnight green, which is a new color, and my personal favorite, I got the gold. They did mention that it was a new kind of gold, so I'm kind of curious to see exactly what kind of hint this is. I kind of wanted it to match the Series 4 stainless steel gold watch that I have, that I'm wearing right now. That was the whole point of me getting this. But besides the color, I was just blown away by a lot of the features and everything that they announced in the keynote. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. And first impressions, I mean, it is really cool how they made the back glass part here kind of frosted, and I do like that matte feel, and the only shiny parts that are on it are right around the camera lens and the Apple logo itself, which they did move just a little bit down. Not like that's a big deal, just something that you kind of notice after having the phone for so many years, you know? But let's just go ahead and take this guy out. As Apple always does, they always have little pull tabs here so that you can pull everything out. I am very impressed with the gold color that is on this. I cannot wait to have this side by side with my watch. And this doesn't feel that much heavier upgrading from the iPhone 10. So we'll just set that aside and kind of just go through everything else that's over here in the box. So here you have your documentation as Apple fashion. Regular stuff, saying hello. Comes a little SIM ejector tool, which is kind of neat. I don't think too many people need that nowadays, but hey, there it is. And as usual, it does come with a couple of Apple stickers there too. And what else you get in the box, which is a very welcome change, is that you do get a fast charger with this one. And I kind of like that they included that with the Pro. With all the money that we're spending on this thing anyway, this should have been in the box years ago, but to each their own. I can't really complain. I can't do much of anything about it anyway. I ended up going out and buying my own, but here it is. Now I got more. Now I'm gonna have like 1 million of these lying around. Perfect. I'm not gonna complain. I am totally happy with that. Another set of earpods, and then this is a new change. So now it's going to come with a USB-C to Lightning cable. This way you can fast charge your phone, and this way you can hook it up to either your iPad Pro if you have one as well, or if you have one of the newer MacBooks or iMac Pro, you can easily hook this up to it and transmit data super fast or juice up the phone in a pinch. So that is really, really helpful. They really should have been doing that a long time ago. So just setting that aside and getting back to this bad boy. And just the most satisfying, just peeling off of everything. You can even hear it too. That part just fills me with so much joy, and that's actually the only part that's on it. Usually it's kind of covered back and front. I thought there was something else here, but I like that. So this is it here.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
So that about wraps up today's video. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to be excited to start playing with my new toy, and I hope that you guys actually plan to pick one up yourself. If you haven't already got one, let me know in the comments below exactly which one you guys plan on getting. This one here is the stainless steel gold iPhone 11 Pro. And I bought this one just so I can have it match my stainless steel gold Series 4 Apple Watch. But here I have my whole ecosystem laid out, and I have it thrown on my Slice charger, which I did buy recently, and I did do a review video on it with an unboxing. So if you haven't already checked that out, definitely check out this card up here. This way you can check that out. This way you can check it out. Keep checking, just check out tons of things. I definitely hope to see you guys pick one up yourselves too. And if you have any questions on anything, let me know. Shoot comments down below. Take a second and just subscribe to the video. All you have to do is just click this little thing right here. It's super easy. It takes 2 seconds, and then this number is gonna go way up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Later.
So much better.